Unlocking the future, SpaceX's Direct-to-Cell Satellites revolutionize mobile networks. SpaceX, a name synonymous with space innovation, is orchestrating a telecom revolution. Their direct-to-cell satellites are destined to redefine mobile networks globally. Imagine ultra-fast internet speed in the remotest corners of the globe. SpaceX's technology is making this a reality, ensuring connectivity everywhere, every time. Not just speed, these satellites guarantee robust and reliable network connectivity. No more dropped calls or buffering videos, just seamless communication. This isn't just about enhancing user experience. It's also about bridging the digital divide, giving underserved regions access to modern digital services. SpaceX's endeavors are not just confined to the Earth. Their satellites are laying the groundwork for interplanetary communication, a future closer than we think. In conclusion, SpaceX's direct-to-cell satellites are not just revolutionizing mobile networks. They're taking giant leaps for mankind, shaping the future of interstellar communication. Tune in for our next deep dive into SpaceX's innovations.